Hi guys, today I've got a low bun hairstyle for long hair. To start, we're going to pop the hair into a low ponytail. Next, divide that ponytail in half and we're just going to simply knot the hair as if you were tying your shoelaces. Pull the hair tight until you reach the nape of the neck and secure with a few bobby pins. Take the tail end and we're just going to create another knot. Again, pull the hair tight so it sits on top of the elastic band and secure with 2 more bobby pins. Next, taking the tail ends from the left hand side, we're going to take them over to the right hand side and pin them to the head. Now take all of the remaining hair and bring it over to the left hand side. Wrap the ends around your fingers and pin it into that bun so you can't see them. Apply some texture spray over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then gently pinch and pull the hair for a little bit more volume. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.